So good afternoon, everyone. A very, very warm welcome to Wiki West Bengal Homepreneurs Council. And I would like to welcome our Regional President Manjula ji and Regional Vice President Indu ji, those who have joined us from other councils. A very warm welcome to each one of you. Today's session is very special because it is the pre-festive season and we all are trying to declutter our house. So two of our very, very dedicated council members have planned, designed and executed this session बहुत dil se. Anju and Sheetal. Anju and Sheetal have been a very dedicated council member to Homepreneurs Council because both of them have always attended our every meeting unless they are not in town or something other emergency has happened. So kudos to both of you, Anju and Sheetal. And a brief introduction about them. Anju is the founder of fashion clothing brand named Vara the Couture. The store is located in Salt Lake. And Sheetal is an anchor by profession and a tarot card reader and a crystal healer by passion. So very, very interesting profile of Sheetal. आज उसका anchoring भी सब देखेंगे and we love your anchoring, Sheetal. So thank you to Sheetal and Anju for planning this wonderful session and we are looking forward to it. So over to both of you for welcoming the guest and the introduction and taking the session forward.
Thank you so much, Kavita, for this beautiful introduction and, giving us these opportunities over and over again to come forward and, contribute a bit to the entire group and cafe and the Wiki group. So, and a warm welcome to all my friends here who chose to join us today and spend their afternoons with us. हम जानते हैं कि आप सभी अपने बहुत बिजी शेड्यूल से वक्त निकाल के हमारे साथ ये अपना प्रीशियस टाइम स्पेंड करते हैं so that you people could learn something new. So we really hope कि in today's session you learn some new exciting ways to redecorate your homes to give it a fresh and vibrant festive season look. For this is exactly what our guest speaker is here for. She is a passionate interior designer with around 15 years of experience. She has a degree in interior designing from Exterior Interiors Private Limited और वो firmly believe करती है to convert houses into homes जिसमें आपका personal touch और flavor हो. She is an associate designer in Square Designs and has been recently awarded the Sanmark Aparajita Award in Shine category 2021. So let's welcome our guest speaker for today, Meenakshi Daga. Welcome to you, Meenakshi.
Thank you so much, Sheetal. And thank you so much for having me here.
So, Meenakshi, it's been 15 years now. So it's like pretty long time. So tell us, what exactly inspired you to choose this profession? And, maybe some experience of, how the things were, something about your journey. How did you all start with all this?
See, back in college days, my friends were very, ambitious. They knew what they wanted to become. Somebody wanted to become a CFA, somebody CA, somebody CS, and I was totally lost. I did not know only karna kya hai life mein. So, then I stumbled across this course, which was a diploma course in Exterior Interior Private Limited. So I thought, chalo try karte hain, dekhte hain. Maza aayega, nahi aayega, let's join. Nobody was there with me. I just did it in my women fancy ki chalo karte hain. But then when I started enjoying it. So that time ye tha ki course khatam ho jaye, uske baad you have to do that internship. So I got my internship in a furniture showroom, which was in Park Street. It was a modular furniture showroom. उस टाइम तो बहुत मजा आ रहा था. First time I was the first girl in my family to do a job because उस टाइम ये था मेरे घर पे कि चलो लड़की बड़ी हो गई है, अब शादी कर देना है. तो उस टाइम बहुत मजा आ रहा था कि चलो I am the only girl who is doing a job. घर पे कोई कुछ बोल भी नहीं रहा था. They were not against it, but they were not very for it कि भाई नहीं करना ही है, पैरों में खड़ा होना ही है, वैसा कुछ नहीं था. तो I was happy कि हाँ चलो, but then you know धीरे धीरे बोर होने लग गई because it was a very monotonous job. वहाँ पे आपको modular furniture के drawings बनाने थे और you had to sell them. So I was getting very bored. Then one of my friends, she joined this interior designing firm. So she was telling all about it, and I was very interested. So I till date I remember I went for the interview and I told my sir, my boss, that please rakh lo, please keep me because I'll work very hard. So you please keep me. So us time kya tha, I was earning good amount of money in that job which I was doing at that modular furniture. मगर अब यहाँ पे I was given peanuts, like because I was joining as an associate, as an trainee. तो peanuts से भी कम समझ लीजिए आप उस टाइम मिल रहा था. But I think that was the wisest decision which I took in my entire career. कि मैंने ये decide किया कि नहीं, I have to learn something. तो जो भी है, I need to do this job. पैसा तो बाद में भी आ जाएगा, तो एक बार इस जॉब को करके देखते हैं, कुछ नया सीखते हैं, बिकॉज इट वाज क्वाइट बोरिंग हियर. फिर आई जॉइंड दैट जॉब एंड इट्स बीन 15 years now. I joined as a trainee. Now I am an associate designer with them, and Mr. Ajay Arya was the one who is who is the designer in this A Square Designs. He helped me throughout. You know, in 15 years mein bahut kuch ho gaya. I got married, I shifted to Bombay. There also I worked for a year. Then again I came back. I had 2 kids. So you know, there was ऐसे लग रहा था कि कभी थोड़ा काम कर रही हूँ, कभी बहुत ज्यादा काम कर रही हूँ. You know, when my kids were very small, I was doing lesser work. But और उस टाइम लग रहा था कि बस छोड़ू नहीं. You know, somehow I keep doing it. That was my main motto. कि नहीं, कुछ छोड़ू नहीं.
So you started with, as a salesperson, and then you became the trainee. From वहाँ से journey आपका आज, अब आप like you have like recently won the Aparajita Star Shine Award. So it's like it's a beautiful, pleasant journey.
Exactly.
And family reaction भी जैसे कि तुम बोल रही हो कि was not very कि क्या जरूरत है.
Yes, my brother used to tell me, Sheetal, that सुबह निकलती हो गाड़ी लेकर और एक दिन में उतना पेट्रोल चला लेती हूँ जितना तुम्हारा सैलरी है. You know, उस टाइम सब मजाक उड़ाते थे कि ये क्या कर रही है.
सब मजाक उड़ाते थे. But 15 years down the line, now you have built yourself as such a good interior designer. So you must be feeling so proud of all the hardships which you have gone through.
Yes,
yeah, maybe not exactly hardships, लेकिन एक वो जो एक general
चीज है. I never gave up. You know, I think this is a tagline which I can give everyone, that I never stopped and I never gave up. You know, I think चाहे जितना भी छोटा काम अपने करें, ऐसे कोई भी काम छोटा नहीं होता है for sure, मगर अगर अपने उस काम को करते रहे जैसे भी हो, तो it will give you some result. My interior designing journey was on. बच्चे हुए या मैं कहीं और चली गई या कुछ भी हुआ, I did not stop. So I think this is what brings me here. Maybe
I was about to ask you, like, you are a mother of 2 kids, so how do you like balance work? Because interior designing is a task which it constantly needs you to be out of home and travel, and clients se milna, travel karna, design karna, so you have to constantly be out of home. So how do you balance your work and home?
See, I would say the irony is there is never a rule which a working woman can follow, for work-life balance. Because I think life is always ready to throw a bombshell at you, and then you'll have to act accordingly. Maybe someone is sick, someone, your house help doesn't turn up. Maybe you want to go to your friend's wedding, but then you have loads of work to do. So, and we have birthdays, anniversaries, doctor checkups, I am not counting them also, because we women are smart enough to plan these events in advance. So for me, what worked moreover in our Indian society, I would say, ये बहुत difficult हो जाता है. First of all, I was blessed to to get a joint family setup. It was a blessing in disguise. My in-laws were always supportive of my work, and because of my profession, flexible working hours worked for me. So moreover, what I do is I plan a little ahead, which is I think very important. And personally maybe ये बहुत पुरानी सोच है डायरी में लिखना, but then till now I maintain a diary. I write down date wise my to do list कि आज क्या करना है, and then in the night I tick off कि what I have done. This gives me a mental satisfaction कि हाँ क्या था क्या नहीं and everything. And moreover I feel सबसे important चीज जो है, do not stop wait for Fridays. Keep yourself happy, meet your family, your friends, and take care of yourself. Because वो बोलते हैं ना कि empty cup से आप कुछ pour नहीं कर सकते हो. You have to keep yourself happy to keep others happy. And you should always live in the moment. मेरे को लगता है कि when we live in the moment, we think everything is possible. सब कुछ हो सकता है. तो चलो करते हैं, सब होगा. वो हो जाता है. मुझे जो लगता है. और सॉरी,
नहीं, go ahead.
And एक और चीज है, मतलब we all have the same 24 hours. So time management is very important. Rather than ये सोचना कि oh God कितना काम है, कैसे करेंगे and all that. तो it's better कि आप solution खोजो और उस काम को करो. And don't crib about it. And moreover, you'll meet people who don't like you. So just take it in your stride. सब कोई आपको like नहीं कर सकते हैं. So don't sit down with it. That doesn't make any sense. And however positive you are, however positive, I would say, आप जितने भी positive हो, there are days when you are down, when you think nothing is going in the right direction. So आप let it be, ये होगा ही. So take that in your stride and move on. I think that's the best thing.
I know you are a bundle of energy. If अगर एक दिन में 24 घंटा नहीं 48 hours होता तो तुम 48 hours non-stop काम कर सकती हो. So
you have to keep yourself happy, Sheetal, for that. I think
yeah, very yes. That definitely counts. But other than also that, I know you are a bundle of energy and you really work hard to balance your work and family. But I have one more question to ask. That especially females, since you have lots of field works, on-site work, Meenakshi, कि लोगों को लगता है कि it's a very tough thing dealing with laborers, workers. तो तुमको क्या लगता है कि how easy it like being a female, आपको वहाँ साइट पे रहना है, बहुत सारी चीज को वहाँ संग आपको directions देना पड़ता है. तो how do you handle that? Do you think it's really that challenging? मतलब if for females like specifically?
See, Sheetal, the thing is, female, male, I don't know. See, the thing is, you should know your job. That is very important. Male, female, frankly, I personally did not have any issues regarding this. अपना काम जान लो, तब आपको सब respect करेंगे. The contractor will respect you yourself if you know your work. Moreover, some tips which I can give other people who are having a problem with dealing with contractors is assemble the best team which is possible. The contractor you bring in the project should be properly staffed. तो क्या है कि आपके आगे problem नहीं हो. And the easiest way to make sure contractor does what needs to be done is to tell them. Starting में ही आप उनको अपना scope of work दे दो. You can take the quote, the time limit, so that in the end you don't have any problem. फालतू के arguments नहीं हो बीच में. And what else you can do is to avoid any confusion, give them the scope of work which I told only, and you can always keep these weekly meetings. इसमें क्या होता है कि you can discuss, you can even tell your clients to attend that meeting, and you can write down the minutes of the meeting. In fact, each weekly meeting minutes should have a 2-week look ahead plan, so that you are in a right place.
Wow.
और एक और चीज है, whenever your contractor have done a good job, you appreciate them. इससे क्या होता है, they feel they are in your team. Because see, the main चीज क्या है कि the contractor is giving your creativity a shape. So the respect should be mutual. Because जब तक मैं सोच रही हूँ कुछ, but अगर वो मुझे बना के नहीं देगा, तो मतलब कुछ होगा नहीं. So respect them, be humble to them. You know, they are giving shape to whatever you want to do. So
Very
the trick is be, मतलब आप एक टीम के साथ टीम समझ के काम करो. तो क्या है कि एवरीथिंग इज इजी. ये मेल फीमेल वाला थिंग हर जगह नहीं चलता है, मुझे लगता है. जस्ट नो योर वर्क, दैट इज
Okay.
इम्पोर्टेंट.
And the thing which you said beautifully, I think not only in interior designing, Meenakshi, in all fields, like
Yeah.
जब आप creative field में होते हो and you have other people who put your imaginations into practical चीजों, practical जो लोग करते हैं उनके साथ हमेशा ये एक bonding और एक ये look upon plans होने चाहिए. I think this is really important in all field of work. So this is a very important point you covered, Meenakshi. And there are many people, females who want to, basically we are a female oriented group over here. So if someone is looking upon to take interior designing as a profession, as a career, so tumko kya lagta hai ki what advice, what guidelines you would advise them, ki kya unko, what necessary steps jo tum suggest karna chahogi they should move ahead with?
See, do you love decorating a space around you? So if it is a yes, then I think interior designing as a career is your true calling. You know, nowadays, be a corporate house or a residential space, the need for interior designers has grown manifold. So today it has become a very promising career. So the main thing is, if you want to become a designer without a degree or, with no experience, so I would say you'll have to have a creative bent of mind, first of all. And then you should have an in-depth knowledge of utility services like plumbing, false ceiling, carpentry. And one should know how to combine colors, how to do a SketchUp. You can take up courses like AutoCAD and 3D Max for that. And best advice which I can give you, best, is that take an internship with an interior designing firm and pick up the tricks of the trade. You can start up with small things like pick up small spaces in your own house or maybe a friend's house and design it in different ways. So you'll understand. Moreover, if you can allow me to share screen, I'll let you know about the courses which are there.
Yes, definitely, Meenakshi. After such an interesting jo topics tumne cover kiye, we are very much keen on seeing what you have to show us and how we can redecorate our homes this festive season. So please go ahead, Meenakshi.
Just a second. I think my screen is shared now.
No, I see it.
No.
Not yet. It was earlier.
Is it? I think this is shared, na?
No.
You can see my
No,
screen.
No,
no,
Meenakshi.
we cannot see.
Just hold on.
Now we can see. Yeah, we can see.
So these are the educational qualifications. First of all, bachelor's or master's in interior designing. We have these courses of degrees of BSc, BA, and bachelor's of design, MSc, MA, and diploma and certificate courses in interior designing also, add to all these things. You don't need any work experience. It is not important. You have to join a firm basically. And ये सब जो है creativity, vision, designing ability, ये सब एक inbuilt thing है which you have to build on, kind of. And these are the list of the top colleges for interior designing. You can Google it, so you'll get it yourself basically. So taking it up, and moreover, there's a difference in architecture and interior designing. This all of us knows. So आपको क्या करना है, architecture करना है कि designing करना है, obviously it will depend on you, and accordingly you can choose your courses. I'll just stop my screen share. Yes.
Excellent
So,
data.
Meenakshi, we are really looking forward to the tips which you are going to share with us to
yes.
redecorate our home this festive season. So we are all eagerly waiting कि क्या हम लोग नया कर सकते हैं अपने घरों में.
बिल्कुल.
So please start sharing your tips with us now.
Yes. Just a second. So today we'll talk about some budget-friendly decor and how you can actually redecorate your house in a brand new look by spending very little. I'll just start the slideshow. Just a second. Okay. So the first way you can actually add some color and texture into your room is to bring nature inside. You know, this makes a huge difference. Like you can take some palm leaf clippings from your building garden, maybe from a park near you, put them in a vase and just look at how it changes the space. When you look at the pictures, you'll understand. You can put some wild money plant vines into a jar of water, keep them on your side table, on your coffee table, and it looks very pretty. Now, flowers are a beautiful way to bring nature into your home. I understand buying fresh flowers daily will become an expensive affair. So why not, just take some wild flowers growing around you, put them in a vase and keep them in your house. This looks really nice. Now, when the season changes, you will get these orange leaves. You can collect them, put them in a vase, and see how a space changes. Now, in summers, bougainvilleas are everywhere, like literally everywhere. And you can, snip them off, put them, just look at how pretty this color looks. This is, an instant way to keep your space looking interesting. You can even collect twigs and branches and put them up in a nice manner. Like these things are so basic and they cost you no money, but then your house starts looking nice. Now, real plants add a certain charm. So add potted plants to your entrance. Like you can have a look at these pictures. Both the houses are looking so inviting, full of warmth. I would love to enter such house because it is giving me a positive vibe. You can put everything in corners, potted plants, small plants, big plants, put them in corners. You can use them in your bedrooms and, grow healthy herbs right in your kitchen. That will be, it will look very pretty also. And nowadays, if you Google, you will get a list of indoor plants which are very easily maintainable and which are good for your health. So I would say just go green. And you can even install a living green wall in your living room. It will add to the beauty and obviously it will take care of your health also. Now, get wall art into your space. It is such a game changer and it will make the dullest corner look like it's bursting with energy. Simply get free digital downloads from sites like unsplash.com. There's some very talented photographers upload their pictures and images and they are for free. Everyone will get something according to their taste there because it has got a varied variety of photographs. What you can do is you can take a printout of whatever you like in your house, or maybe you can get it printed in a shop, and you can play with the sizes because actually these sizes, they don't pixelate. Bada hone se, fatta nahi hai. So, and moreover, for frames, use anything which is lying in your house. Or maybe, at IKEA, rupees 50 se frames shuru ho jate hain. So you can take it up from there and make a gallery wall, maybe, or bunch up some photographs which you like, and you can keep changing them, according to your mood. Sab kuch din baad agar kuch acha dikha, to we can change it. The look will only change. Now, I would say, small details jo hoti hai na, it will either make your design or it will break your design. So I think here what I have shown is you can paint on the sides of the door to add vibrancy. आप खुद ही देख रहे हो कि थोड़ा कितना डिफरेंस मेक करता है, you know, एक छोटा सा डिटेल, but then it's making a lot of difference. You can paint on the sides of the drawers. You can use different colors. You can use same colors. You can suit yourself. Now, give makeover to your old lampshades. Why I would say, because जो अपने पास चीजें पड़ी रहती है ना, we don't value them. But then rather than throwing them, why not, you know, reuse them? आप lamp को you can color it from inside, outside. You can do gold leafing on them. पूरा look ही change हो जाता है. Just a second. I think I'll have to again share. Now pop up your window with some bright colors. आप जब pop up करते हो कुछ, you know, your eyes goes in the same direction, and you can even decorate your wall with colorful tapes. You can take some geometric patterns. You can even make picture frames out of colorful tapes, and this will also look very pretty when you do it, like, you know. And I would say wallpapers are the easiest way to change the look of an entire room, and it is also the most pocket friendly way, because, you know, you can add it to your headboard, you can add it to your backsplash, you can even add them on the pieces of furniture. A wardrobe mein laga lo, you can put it inside the drawers, on the side of the drawers, on the fascia of the drawers. You can use it in many ways. In fact, जो leftover packing packages होते हैं, you can use them in the nooks and corners. You know, this also we can do. Now, if you are of a very creative bent of mind, why not create your own wallpaper? You can create it by the use of stencils, craft sheets. Sky is the limit, you know, you can do anything. It will become your own wall, which no other person will have in their house because it is made by you. Now, let's turn trash into treasure. You know, we have these silk saris and dupattas which are stored in our wardrobe, which we think, nahi, is saal to pakka pehenenge. ठीक है, but then we never end up wearing them. वो हर साल यही सोचते हैं कि नहीं, इस साल निकाल के तो पक्का I'll wear it, I'll not throw it away. So rather than throwing it away or not throwing it away, you can use it and make them as in quirky cushion covers, sofa covers, quilts, dining spreads, bed covers, headboard के पीछे लगा सकते हैं. In fact, आप उसको Roman blind की तरह भी use कर सकते हो. You can use them as full length curtains as well. So now you can turn your necklace into a tie back and make your curtains look classy for all the festivities which is coming. Again, ये रुक गया है.
Then actually click on the screen here.
Yeah. So mending some pieces like spray paint a doormat or cover a mat with a cloth. Choti cheezein, you know, very small things. Now you can even make a pom-pom rug. It's a very simple hack, very simple. You can get DIY tutorials in YouTube and it's very easy to make. Now, one can install light fixtures that has a little more zest than your current ones in the form of lamps and lanterns. You know, you get such pretty lamps and lanterns in throwaway prices, and it will look very pretty once you install them. A bunch of candles to set your mood lighting. In fact, poke some holes in the lampshades and give it a new life. Now, you know, many of us have staircases where neglected space beneath your staircase can be utilized in numerous ways. You know, we don't think in those lines. We can we can put a wine storage there. We can even make a library there. We can even make a shoe rack there. You know, there are so many things when we think about it. Now, old unused ladder can be used in many ways. You know, I myself used an unused ladder in one of the boutique which I made, and it turned out fabulous. Now people spend their maximum time in living room. So brighten it up by painting a tabletop, which will add a lot of spark. You can even turn an old and unused teapot into a flower pot. And in kids' room, we can do so much. You know, you can do a confetti wall. You can even paint some cartoons on the wall. Nowadays, kids have their favorite cartoons. We can, paint those because they will not be bored of their favorite cartoon characters ever. And you can even paint an entire wall, which kids would totally love. Small things, like you can even draw on light bulbs. Kids would love to get involved in the full exercise, believe me. Now, cushions. Cushions can make your space seem literally brand new with very little effort. But you know what most people do? They just group cushions of similar sizes together. This isn't the way how the pros would go about it, as it will end up looking very flat and very plain. So the trick here is to group varied cushion sizes, and you would want a variety of square cushions, rectangular cushions, and just group them together. So that will look very nice. Now, in fact, arrange your sizes and the heights. Your cushions should be complementary. They should not be the same. And try and use maybe one solid, one bold pattern, and one textured pattern. So, but please do not overwhelm yourself. Now, this is just a little thing which I wanted to share. So you can start from the outside of the sofa and maybe 22 inches or 24 inches cushion, and layer smaller sizes in the front. Okay, now limit patterned fabric to one set, not more than that. And combine textures, layer colors, and mix solids with patterns that coordinate. And odd numbers are, visually more appealing every time. Whenever you'll see, odd numbers will look really nice. Now throw in an odd shape in the center. Now, rule of three. This I really wanted to share. Like, things arranged in odd numbers are appealing, memorable, and effective than even numbered groupings. Two items always end up looking very posed and very placed, whereas three items placed will look very well put together because your eyes form that triangle, and you can style your cushions in that way, your accessories in that way, maybe even your bed pillows and your coffee table decor. You can try that up with many things. This actually, it literally works every single time. This is my tried and tested thing. Now, we have so much stuff which is scattered across different rooms, stored away inside the cabinets, like textiles, showpieces, which we have totally forgotten about. So, take stuff from one room to another. And trust me, you'll see your space in a whole new light. Shop from every room in some days and keep changing your stuff. So, आपको भी लगेगा कि हाँ, कुछ different लग रहा है इस room में भी, कुछ अलग लग रहा है. Rather than always shopping, we can always do that. And try and ensure that your house is not cluttered. That is a very important thing. Make your house clutter-free and spacious. And I hope this presentation was helpful and left you a little inspired to style your home. Thank you so much, Sheetal.
A lot, Meenakshi. In fact, we are looking forward कि हम लोग झट से ये सब कुछ करके और अपने homes को कैसे best तरीके से, I was like thinking of the old sarees which I have कि हाँ मेरे को उसको cushion में convert कर देना चाहिए या maybe redecorate some lights and all that thing. Very, very interesting tips. And now, Anju, we can go ahead with some questions.
Yes, Sheetal. Very nice presentation, Meenakshi.
Thank you.
If someone has some question to ask, then you can put it in the chat box or ask directly.
Or raise the hand. Yeah, you can raise the hand also. tips were excellent.
Thank you. I hope you all do something about it.
Yeah, I think everyone will do.
I'll be
कुछ ना
very
कुछ
happy.
change. Kavita wants to know, can we put wallpapers on our own?
Actually, क्या है कि out of India तो लोग लगाते ही हैं. They do their carpentry and their plumbing, everything themselves. But then यहाँ क्या है ना, अपने ये करते नहीं है. We don't do these things. Because we have people to do it for us. But then yes, you can. You'll have to Google for a new person. You'll have to Google it up कि क्या चाहिए उसके लिए, and you can do it. Why not?
यहाँ पे तो सब कुछ करवा देते हैं ना अपने, इसीलिए हैबिट में ही नहीं है.
Exactly. यही मैं बोलना चाह रही थी कि बाहर तो उन लोग कार्पेंट्री भी खुद ही कर लेते हैं, because they are उन लोग वैसे ही brought up हुए होते हैं. मतलब here we don't do that, but then
Yeah,
obviously why not?
we are
can.
dependent.
Yes, we are totally dependent.
Pooja wants to ask something.
Yes.
Kavita, please.
हाँ, मैं कह रही थी कि अपना जो ऑलरेडी फर्नीचर बना हुआ है ना, उसका खाली बाहर का आउटर लुक चेंज करना हो, वो भी हॉल में,
हाँ.
ड्राइंग रूम में, तो क्या लगा सकते हैं उसको?
See, अगर सिर्फ आउटर लुक चेंज करना है पूजा जी, तो फिर आप या तो वॉलपेपर लगा सकते हैं, नंबर 1.
फर्नीचर पर
पे वॉलपेपर लगता है, ठीक है.
अच्छा.
और अदरवाइज आप उसको वापस पॉलिश करवा लो. आजकल बहुत टाइप की पॉलिशेस आ गए हैं. आप उसको कलर लैमिनेशन करा लो, आप पीयू करा सकते हो. यू कैन चेंज द लैमिनेट, यू कैन चेंज द विनियर. आप जो भी आपका कलर अभी है, आप उस कलर को मत चूज करो, बिकॉज वो तो आप देख चुके हो. यू कैन चेंज इट टू सम अदर कलर, तो उससे आपका पूरा लुक चेंज हो जाएगा. बहुत कुछ होता है आजकल फर्नीचर पे. आप मदर ऑफ पर्ल से प्ले कर सकते हो. देयर आर मेनी थिंग्स. यू कैन चेंज हैंडल्स. हैंडल्स भी आजकल ब्रास के बनने लग गए हैं, तो आप अच्छा ब्रास के हैंडल्स लगवा लो, तो उससे आपका पूरा लुक चेंज हो जाएगा.
ऐसे कौन सा कलर अभी इन में है?
अभी राइट नाउ फ्लोरिंग के लिए मैं बोलूंगी ग्रेज आर वेरी मच इन. ग्रे, व्हाइट, ब्लैक, ये सब कलर्स बहुत इन है.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Meenakshi, Deepa ji wants to know which site you mentioned for photos. Your tips are very useful. So which site?
Unsplash.com.
Unsplash.com. Same question पहले भी पूछा था किसी ने.
हाँ, this is
Site के बारे में.
unsplash.com.
YouTube link. Okay.
So, Meenakshi, I just needed to ask a thing.
Yes.
You did said that we can add plants around our house, play with our plants. So my house was full of plants some years ago.
Okay.
तब हमारे घर में mosquitoes नहीं आते थे.
Right.
But now because of the plants, lots of mosquitoes are coming. Lots of mosquitoes. So it is becoming a headache for me now. So I've removed all the plants. So what other options are available, or is there something available that can not attract the mosquitoes?
See, एक तो आप अपने घर पे वो मॉस्किटो नेट लगा सकते हो. जनरली whoever, जैसे मैं सॉल्ट लेक में रहती हूँ, आई ऑल्सो हैव दिस मॉस्किटो प्रॉब्लम. सो क्या है कि आप मॉस्किटो नेट लगाते हो तो half your problem is solved. And once you आप जब इंडोर प्लांट्स रखते हो तो there are some plants जिसपे मॉस्किटोज नहीं आते हैं.
Okay.
So you'll have to Google it accordingly and then keep
Lemon
those
grass.
plants.
Saroji, you can keep lemon grass. उससे mosquitoes नहीं आते.
अच्छा, that's a nice tip.
लोग जो स्प्रे करते हैं उसमें अगर हम लोग नीम ऑयल स्प्रे करें तो जो कीड़े मकोड़े और जो मॉस्किटोज का प्रॉब्लम होता है वो प्लांट्स में कम होता है. हम लोग एक स्प्रे बना के नीम ऑयल स्प्रिंकल कर सकते हैं लीव्स और प्लांट्स के जड़ों में.
आप एक दिया जला सकते हो जिसमें आप नीम ऑयल डाल दो और उसको आप रोज लाइट अप कर दो अपने प्लांट्स के आसपास. आई थिंक इट विल सॉल्व योर प्रॉब्लम.
Nice tips. Thank you.
कविता, 2 लोगों ने रेज हैंड किया है, but I cannot see them.
No, nobody, Manju. I think that was one was Sarojji and one was Pooja.
Okay.
Meenakshi, I have a question, like for master bedroom and for kids bedroom, should we follow different color codes, like किसी के लिए dark करना चाहिए, किसी के लिए light करना चाहिए, ऐसा भी कुछ है क्या?
आप मुझे वास्तु के हिसाब से बोल रहे हो?
No. aesthetic appeal basically.
एकदम एकदम. I think master bedroom आपका room है. It should be according to your taste, and kids bedroom should be according to their taste. And I would feel कि हर room का एक अपना खुद का feel होना चाहिए. Every room should look a little different. When I get inside the house, maybe there are 3 or 4 rooms. I think सब rooms थोड़े अलग अलग ही लगने चाहिए. It would look nice that way. Otherwise बहुत repetition हो जाता है. अगर हम लोग same चीज हर जगह करते रहे तो it will start looking boring.
Absolutely. And one more question regarding the
Yes.
upholstery. So अगर curtains अपने printed use कर रहे हैं तो क्या bed sheets and bed covers should be plain और vice versa? मतलब ऐसा कुछ?
आप कुछ भी कर सकते हो. अगर आप कर्टन्स यूज कर रहे हो जिसमें ज्यादा प्रिंट है, बोल्ड प्रिंट्स है, देन इट विल ऑलवेज बी बेटर कि आप बोल्ड कलर्स यूज करो, नॉट विद द प्रिंट्स. और अगर आप कर्टन्स प्लेन यूज कर रहे हो देन तो ऑब्वियसली यू कैन प्ले अराउंड विद योर बेड कवर्स.
Thank you.
No problem.
Yeah, Meenakshi, Shruti wants to know any other option other than AutoCAD to create your design?
3D Max है, AutoCAD है और 3D Max है. Right now these two are the things which can be done. आप सीख सकते हो. These two are commonly used.
Okay. Shruti, you got your answer now? I hope.
And you can aram se learn it. There are many places where they teach these softwares.
Any other question? People
Yeah,
who wants to
yeah, just wanted to ask one more question. Like in a narrow staircase, जैसे salt lake bungalows में होते हैं अपने, तो staircase को अपने कैसे थोड़ा liven up कर सकते हैं? Apart from the plants.
Yes,
तो
yes.
ठीक, हाँ.
See, mirrors are the best way, जिससे आपको कोई छोटी जगह को बड़ा दिखाना हो तो, आप obviously look into your vastu where you will put the mirror, because आजकल almost सब कोई वास्तु यूज करते हैं. So it should be on the right wall, direction correct होना चाहिए. But if you put a mirror लगाते ही वो जगह आपको बड़ी लगने लग जाएगी. So you can use mirrors to make them interesting. और बहुत beautiful mirrors आते हैं आजकल. So you can order something very interesting, and again then you can have a collage of pictures like the way I told you, वो जो unsplash.com से अगर आप कुछ भी लो, या फिर any art, if you are a lover of art, आप कोई भी abstract art भी लगा सकते हो वहाँ पे, so that will also look very nice.
Shruti,
In fact, sorry.
Yeah,
हाँ,
you were
yeah,
saying
you can
something.
ask. Yeah, you can ask your question.
Yeah, I was just about to ask which one is easier, AutoCAD or 3D Max, and which one do you prefer?
See, basically, I would say AutoCAD is easier because I know AutoCAD nicely, and
Okay.
3D Max, once you learn, it becomes very easy. एक बार starting में
Okay.
थोड़ा time लगता है, used to होने में, but then nowadays people want 3D Max, क्योंकि क्या है कि 3D Max में आपको पूरा वो look मिल जाता है कि आपका
With the lighting and shade and all, which you're trying to
yes,
say,
you know,
the entire
you can-
effect you get it on.
yes, because all you can put in all the renderings कि भाई इस कलर का सोफा है, पीछे क्या आ रहा है, you can put everything inside, so that way you can visualize, because क्या है layman के लिए visualize करना बहुत difficult हो जाता है.
Thoda difficult.
हाँ,
Yeah, because
तो-
even I am an interior designer,
okay,
but वही शादी बच्चे,
I
so
understand.
in between I had to leave it. So
start
back
off.
then I had done AutoCAD and all. So now I'm not in touch with it. So sometimes it's good. अब बड़े बच्चे हो गए हैं तो ऐसा लगता है अभी टाइम है, अब शुरू कर सकते
नहीं
हैं.
एकदम, जब
तो-
आप सोचो आप तब शुरू कर सकते हो.
हाँ,
तो-
that is
तो
some
start off,
this is
हो जाएगा,
something
सब
which you
कुछ
can
हो जाएगा.
start. हाँ, एक आप में होना चाहिए वो चीज. तो ये AutoCAD एक बार खोल के देखा था, बहुत साल बाद आप कुछ खोल के देखते हो तो कैसा लगता है, oh my god,
एकदम,
मुझसे नहीं
एकदम.
होगा. So that is why I was about to ask कि भाई क्या easy है, तो I think AutoCAD is much more better for us. Thank you so much for the advice.
Yes, yes.
Acha, Meenakshi, how to fix photo on wall
Sorry.
without how to fix photo on wall without killi and nails? Without nails, how can we fix? Any option?
Without nails तो fix करना बहुत difficult हो जाएगा, but अगर आपको सिर्फ नॉर्मल फोटोग्राफ्स लगानी है तो जैसे मैंने वो कहा था कि वो यू कैन यूज दोस कलरफुल टेप्स, तो उससे आराम से विदाउट नेल्स लग जाएगा. बट देन आप अगर कुछ भी हैवी होता है तो
Nails
विदाउट
चाहिए.
नेल्स इज नॉट
Yeah,
पॉसिबल.
not possible.
हाँ, दैट इज
Safety नहीं रहेगी
चाहिए. हाँ,
उसमें.
सेफ्टी नहीं
हाँ.
रहती, कभी भी गिर जाएगा. डजंट मेक एनी सेंस.
और कोई अगर जेडी बिरला से इंटीरियर डिजाइनिंग का कोर्स कर रहा है, so do they require the masters?
सी ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है कि यू रिक्वायर अ मास्टर. मुझे लगता है यू नो कि इफ यू हैव द टाइम प्लीज गो फॉर इट, बिकॉज सी एजुकेशन इज समथिंग, आप जितना भी लो, आप जितना भी सीखो,
Amen.
is always welcome.
Yeah.
So if you have the time and the means and everything, please go with it. But then best होता है कि आप कहीं internship करो कुछ भी सीखने के बाद, बिकॉज जो वो एक्सपीरियंस वर्किंग ऑन अ साइट है,
Practical
वो
experience.
जो प्रैक्टिकल एक्सपीरियंस है वो कहीं नहीं मिलता है, यू नो. क्योंकि मेरे साथ देयर वर सो मेनी गर्ल्स हु डिड इंटीरियर डिजाइनिंग, बट देन आई थिंक कोई एक या दो ही वर्क कर रहे हैं, यू नो, मेरे बैच से. तो वो जब तक आप
Practical
वर्क
experience
नहीं
से
करते
ही.
हो ना प्रैक्टिकली, और प्रैक्टिकल नॉलेज इज द बेस्ट इन आवर फील्ड, वो सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट है. योर एक्सपीरियंस काउंट्स एक्चुअली.
True. So what will you suggest to renew an old dining table? How can we decorate our old dining table?
Old dining table, आप you can change the top. You know, if you have a glass top, आजकल marble top बहुत चल रहे हैं, you get beautiful marble. So आप marble top करोगे तो क्या होगा कि एक तो it will be very sturdy. Because क्या है कि in our Indian household जैसा खाना बनता है, वो जो spill होता है and everything, you know, we all understand कि marble एकदम बेस्ट रहता है काइंड ऑफ. एंड अदरवाइज आप पीयू कर सकते हो, एज इन कलर लैमिनेट कर सकते हो अपने मार्बल को, अपने टॉप को. अगर वो विनियर्ड है तो उसको आप वो कर दो तो कलर भी चेंज हो जाता है. एंड यू कैन इवन यू नो ब्राइटन इट अप विथ, इफ यू डोंट वांट टू चेंज एनीथिंग, आपको सिर्फ ऐसे ही लुक चेंज करना हो तो जो सेंटर पीसेस है आप उससे खेल सकते हो. You know, you can put nice center pieces around, and whenever there's a festival or something, you know, decorate it with nice flowers. You can just take a wine glass, उसमें आप marigold flowers डाल के उसको अगर आप उल्टा रखोगे, and you can keep nice candles उसके ऊपर, तो वो अपने आप ही सुंदर लगने लग जाएगा. You know,
वो साड़ी वाली टिप तो आपने बताई थी, सबसे
हाँ,
बेस्ट वे है वो.
yes, yes.
ओके. और वो मार्बल को किसी से कवर करना होता है कि ऐसे यूज करें हम?
No, it's better to cover it up. In daily life, it's always better to cover it up.
कवर इट.
इनफैक्ट एक कुछ ऐसा केमिकल भी होता है जो आप ऊपर में लगा देते हो, तो उससे क्या होता है कि वो स्टेन अट्रैक्ट नहीं करता है. सो दैट थिंग शुड बी डन.
नो मोर क्वेश्चंस. कविता कुछ, सरोज जी कुछ पूछना? और
Any suggestions on rugs and all? Like, is it still in कि अब rugs लोग use नहीं कर रहे हैं वैसा कुछ?
ओ नहीं, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. रग्स से तो बहुत ही ब्यूटी ऐड होती है. बिल्कुल, वी शुड ऑलवेज यू नो ट्राई एंड यूज ब्यूटीफुल रग्स. यू गेट सच ब्यूटीफुल रग्स एंड वो अपने पूरे सेटअप को यू नो एक कॉम्प्लीमेंट ही करता है हमेशा. सो वो जो एकदम जो पुराने रग्स थे हम लोग के पास, विच वी थिंक कि नहीं अब तो नहीं चलता है, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. वो जो होता है ना कि एवरी टाइम फैशन रिपीट्स इटसेल्फ, वही वाली बात है. वो सब यू नो एवरीथिंग इज इन यूज. You can, if you use it correctly, वो अच्छा लगना ही है.
मीनाक्षी, एक चीज है, कई सारी रग्स आती है, देखने में बहुत सुंदर होती है, बट वो बहुत स्लिप ऑन, मतलब स्लिप करते हैं. तो एंटी स्लिप का कोई कुछ आता है ऐसा जो कि अपने उसमें लगा दें? और
रग्स स्लिप करती हैं तो मे बी यू नो एंटी स्किड बोल के तो कुछ नहीं आता है. बट देन ऐसे बहुत रग्स आते हैं जो स्लिप नहीं करते हैं. You know, when you buy it, you can.
Sometimes you like rugs which are like you know slippery. आपको पसंद ही वैसा आ रहा है क्योंकि उसमें ज्यादा वैरायटी अवेलेबल है, तब क्या कर सकते हैं वो पूछ रही हूँ.
नहीं, आई थिंक वी शुड नॉट बाय रग्स व्हिच आर स्लिपरी, बिकॉज़ ऑब्वियसली कुछ सुंदर लगाने की जगह हम लोग खुद ही को लगा ले तो कोई मतलब नहीं बनता है. हाँ, तो that we'll have to choose wisely, you know.
अनुभा is saying glue gun use करो.
Yeah, glue gun आजकल एक डबल टेप आने लगी है. It's very viral in all Amazon stores and also जिसको आप चिपका दो तो it doesn't move.
Okay.
I
you
tried
can
it
use
also.
those
Yes.
double tapes in
Okay.
many things.
Haan.
But
Hmm.
But that is
Meenakshi,
a transparent double tape which works very beautifully.
Yeah. Good idea.
So you can use that.
Meenakshi, जिनको allergy है, they cannot use drugs.
Yeah, that can't be helped.
Any option?
Actually, होता तो यही है कि वो dust attract तो करता ही है.
करता
You
ही
know, आप
है.
जितना भी कर लो, आप कुछ भी बोल लो, आप कितने भी neat रह लो, मगर the environment in which we stay, वो rugs
करेगा ही.
attract करते ही हैं. So maybe आप deep cleaning कराओ या तो, you know, every time. That is the only way अगर आपको rugs use करने हैं तो you'll have to deep clean them. Because otherwise तो फिर वो infectious हो ही जाएगा. जिसको नहीं है allergy की problem उसको भी हो जाएगी if you don't get them cleaned.
Meenu ji want to ask.
Yes.
Yes, Meenu ji. And
Yeah, I didn't want to. I think I did raised by mistake. But
Okay,
yeah,
okay.
just sharing that anti-slippery underneath of the rug.
Meenu ji, आप
One mute.
Am I audible? Yeah.
Yes.
So these days, anti-slippery underneath rug layers are easily available in market. These are made of kind of silicon structure.
Okay.
जैसे कि bath rug होते थे ना to prevent slippage in the toilets and especially bathtub के बाहर के लिए
Yeah,
similar material का बड़े size में and depending on different sizes they cut and they provide you and ready-made different sizes are also available. In fact, IKEA keeps a lot of them.
Okay, so
So you can actually buy a rug of your size and also anti-slippery mat which you can spread under your rug. So that will protect from slippers.
मीनू इंडिया में मिलता है क्या?
इंडिया में मिलता है IKEA इंडिया में भी है हैदराबाद में
नहीं, IKEA is
online order
online
order
also.
online yeah you
Order
can order
online.
online just need to give your size और वो तो आपके हिसाब से customized size भी दे देते हैं
okay, so
and these are not very expensive.
these we use in the bathrooms, like
No. These are for any space you can use. I'm saying the material is made up of a silicone made, जो similar to bathroom के लिए anti-slippery mats आते हैं.
yes, that we use. Okay.
Yeah, but these are softer ones and thinner ones because ये रग के नीचे रहेगा तो मोटा होगा तो won't look nice.
Okay.
ये इसीलिए बनता है.
Okay. We use it in the bathrooms. वो मैं समझ गई, but we have not used it there.
बाथरूम वाला थोड़ा मोटा होता है बिकॉज उसको हम रग के नीचे नहीं यूज करते डायरेक्ट करते हैं और उसमें इनफैक्ट थोड़े पोकी नोट्स वगैरह बने हुए होते हैं एंटी स्लिपेज के लिए. ये प्लेन ही बना होगा एक साइड में आपको थोड़ा रफ स्ट्रक्चर रहता है जस्ट टू प्रिवेंट फ्रिक्शन
From yes.
या एंड ऊपर से फिर इसके ऊपर आप रग डाल दो तो स्लिप नहीं होता है.
Okay.
इनफैक्ट आई एम यूजिंग कपल ऑफ दोज इन माय डिफरेंट हाउसेस.
Okay. Thank you for the suggestion.
Yeah, Neetu ji, ask Kavita, unmute her now. Neetu Murmuria.
Neetu ji, she hasn't raised. One second.
So maybe by mistake she has raised once.
Yeah, I don't think so. She wants to ask.
Okay.
So I had a question, Meenakshi. I've got two buffet tables in my dining hall and they're covered with Traveltino marble. उस समय उसमें holes होते हैं ना Traveltino marble में.
Right.
So at that time 14-15 years ago my interior had filled up the holes with those wax
Right, raisin
right.
fill दिए थे.
Yeah, resin filled कर दिया था. अब वो बहुत black लगने लग गए. So what can I do about that?
So you can try and get it polished. वो एक तरीका है कि कुछ shine उसकी वापस आ जाए. That can be done. And otherwise when you show it to a marble contractor, maybe वो resin निकालना तो बहुत difficult है. वो निकलेगा तो नहीं. But you know, they can polish it and get some shine back.
Okay, so that is the only solution,
Yes,
nothing else.
Yes.
Thank you.
Laminate polish भी होती है ना मीनाक्षी on top of the marble top that will give you some sheen and ये old marble का जो stains या raisins
Laminate जो है ना वो polish नहीं होता है, but veneer polish होता है.
Okay.
Laminate
There
is
is some
something.
sort of polish on the marbles which gives a kind of sheen, right?
Yes, that can be done.
Kavita, unmute Rakhi Agarwal. Yes, Rakhi, you can ask.
Yeah, hi.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi, Rakhi.
Actually, I just wanted to know, we have a lot of silk sarees, right? जो अपनी शादी के टाइम पे भी बहुत कुछ डलता है. So actually, I'm making my new puja room. By chance, I got a very good. So can we use that silk saree as our blinds or somewhere in my curtain?
Maybe
So-
in your puja, you can even use it as a backdrop if you want. You can use it as curtains. जो अपने वो गद्दी बनाते हैं ना भगवान जी की, we can
If you
use
don't
it.
mind, can I show you the window which I've made so that you can just suggest me
Yes,
सामने
please.
video में. So वो ये अच्छा, इसलिए I was trying to use a silk saree there.
Yes.
So basically, this is the thing. Camera. This is the whole thing. ये
Okay.
black लगेगा इसमें. So can I use any silk saree which is not used basically, obviously.
हाँ, I
And
understand.
blind में.
So जो ये टेबल है, इसमें आपके भगवान जी रहेंगे, जो कंसोल है.
ये बना हुआ है. This is the console, right?
Okay, and it
ये वो
will be
पूरा मैंने
placed against the window.
कोरल शीट लगवाया है. बैकड्रॉप से लाइट आएगा कोरल का.
Okay.
And this is the sink. ये एक सिंक बनेगा मार्बल का यहाँ पे.
Okay.
And this is the window. ये पार्ट मेरा पूरा खाली है. मतलब basically यहाँ पे ये विंडो आगे था, मैंने इसको कटवा के पीछे करवा दिया. So I got a bigger space here.
So this will not be the seating, right?
No, it's not just sitting, but पूजा घर में तो सिटी चाहिए नहीं. If you suggest, I can put it there because
But
वहाँ
we
पे
already have a sink there. So seating
यहाँ पे
inside.
ये सिंक रखा हुआ है, ये लगाएगा यहाँ पे basically ये.
Okay.
So this is the window. तो इसमें मेरे को मन था कि blind में if I can use a silk saree instead of a proper
Yes.
curtain, how would
It will look really nice. You can totally use it. You know, आप दो चीज कर सकते हो. एक तो आप यहाँ पे इसको रोमन ब्लाइंड्स बना सकते हो अपनी साड़ी से for this window. And when I see your puja, can you just show me your puja room? तो आप
ये अभी इसमें कोरल शीट लगना बाकी है. अंदर से फिर वो लाइट आएगा जैसे.
Right. So आप अपने भगवान जी को directly इस पे ही रखोगे कि you need a गद्दी also?
No, for Laddu Gopal we just put a gaddi, no, and for small god we'll just put a कोई velvet का कपड़ा बना दिया या directly रख सकते हैं.
आप velvet का कपड़ा की जगह you can again use your silk sarees, you know, because अपने change करते रहते हैं, you know.
Right.
अपने भगवान जी अगर if it is not used, you can even make भगवान जी का clothes from that silk saree, you know. आप उसका उनके क्लोथ्स बना सकते हो, आप नीचे की गद्दी बना सकते हो, आप ब्लाइंड्स बना सकते हो, आप बहुत कुछ कर सकते हो. इनफैक्ट इफ यू इवन वांट टू फ्रेम इट अप, यू नो, एंड एज अ पीस ऑफ आर्ट, यू कैन डू
Right.
यू नो, वो भी बहुत अच्छा लगेगा.
That will look very nice.
Yeah, you know,
उस पे जैसे tanzol का फ्रेम करवा दिया या कुछ भी.
correct. You know, that will also look very nice. In fact, आजकल जो वो बहुत intricate shawls होते थे अपने पास,
right.
you know, जो generation से pass on हो रहे हैं, and we can't throw them away. आप उनको भी frame करा के एक अच्छे wall में लगा सकते हो. It will act like a beautiful piece of art.
So I was wondering कि वो साड़ी का if I can use as a curtain. So,
Yes. Totally.
Thank you, Meenakshi. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Meenakshi. Very nice presentation and very useful tips we have given.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. My pleasure. Thank you for having me here.
Sarojji, over.
Thank you, Anju. Wonderful presentation, wonderful tips, beautiful ideas you've given. छोटा ideas जिससे at least हम लोग अपने आप अपने घर को change कर सकते हैं. Give it a new look. I love the idea of a wine glass filled with marigold जिसके ऊपर एक candle लगा के you can create a very beautiful decoration. पूजा room हो या dining tables हो, side tables हो, romantic evenings with husbands हो. So lots of things can be done. And beautiful ideas. It was a wonderful session. Thank you, Meenakshi. We are very. It was a pleasure to have you on our platform, and lovely moderation, both of you. The young champ Sheetal, kudos to you, Netherlands में बैठ के आज तुम यहाँ पे session करा रही हो. So thank you for that. Thank you to Kavita, our president, for giving all of us such amazing sessions to work on and to showcase our talents too. Thank you to Manjula ji and Indu ji. Maybe they're watching us on our Facebook Live. And thank you to all the Wiki West Bengal Homepreneur Council members and all the guests who've been there. It was a wonderful session. अब आज तो पूरा दिन ये सोचने में जाएगा कहाँ क्या क्या सजाना है हमको.
I'll be so happy.
Yes.
Thank you
It
so
was
much.
a wonderful session.
Thank you, Saroj ji. Thank you so much.
Before we all leave, can we just have a picture with Meenakshi?